Wednesday, April 1st, 2026. Fifth fund, fifth day. Let's get into our fifth fund, our fifth ETF, and our fifth long-haul investment for our retirement. Everybody's always asking me, what do I think about AI? Do you think it's a bubble? Do you think it's overrated? Do you think it's a scam? What do you think? I always tell them the same thing. No! What do you think? You have a mega computer on your hands. So now you have every possible piece of information you can ever want in the palm of your hands. You are no longer required to remember anything. You don't have to know shit anymore if you don't want to. You no longer have to write anything down. You no longer are responsible for your entire life. You have your phone, your artificial intelligence, your mega computer, the item glued to your hand to do absolute everything for you. That phone is part of your anatomy now. That shit is stuck to your palm and you're addicted to it and every single thing it does for you. So again, what do you think about AI? It's already here, it's no longer the future. Just in time. AI is about to start replacing jobs and replacing people at the workplace. But there's no need to be scared. You shouldn't have any worries. This shouldn't be your problem. Your job should be focusing on how to invest in it and asking yourself, how do I benefit from it? How do I make money from it? How do I get rich from it? So this video will be about learning all we can about artificial intelligence, robotics, nuclear energy, and the future of space travel. Let's get to it. Like and subscribe, The $1 Investor. BOTZ ETF, full breakdown, past plus future. Fund, Global X Robotics and Artificial Intelligence ETF. Inception, September 12, 2016. Expense ratio, 0.68%. Holdings, 50-65 companies. Focus, robotics, AI, automation, autonomous vehicles, industrial robotics, medical robotics. The top holdings include ABB, NVIDIA, Keyence, Intuitive Surgical, Fanuc, SMC, Daifuku, AeroVironment. These are industrial automation plus AI hardware, plus robotics companies, not just software AI. This is important. This ETF is basically a bet on physical AI, robots in the real world. BOTZ, previous 5 years performance. Here's what BOTZ actually did year by year. Year in return, 2022, plus 42.69%. 2023, plus 38.96%. 2024, plus 12.26%. 2025, plus 14.17%. 2026, so far, plus 5 to 10% range. 5-year total return, 9.7% total, about 2.4% per year average. What this means? This fund is volatile. It crashes hard in bad tech years, 2022. It explodes in AI years, 2023. It grows moderately in normal years. This is not a smooth S&P 500 fund. This is a future tech boom or bust fund. Wall Street Outlook, next 5 years. What analysts are saying? BOTZ rated buy by multiple analysts because robotics plus automation demand is rising. However, some analysts say other AI ETFs may have higher upside, while BOTZ wins if robotics demand explodes. AI plus robotics market expected to grow massively. AI market, 184 billion to 826 billion by 2030. Robotics market expected to quadruple by 2035. Big institutional opinion. BlackRock calls AI a dominant megaforce, shaping the global economy. But some analysts warn AI stocks may pause or pull back because valuations are already high. Translation in plain English, Wall Street believes AI equals huge long-term growth. Robotics equals next wave after software AI. But expect big ups and big drops. BOTZ, 5-year forecast, realistic scenarios. Scenario. BOTZ price in 5 years. Bear case $30, normal case $55, bull case $80 to $95, current price $36. So realistic 5-year return range. Low, 15%, normal, pleasant 50%, high, pleasant 150%. This is why dollar cost averaging, my $1 a day plan, is actually smart. My $1 per day strategy equals math. I said $1 every day, that equals $365 per year, $1,825 in 5 years, $3,650 in 10 years. If BOTZ averages, 8% equals $5,300 in 10 years, 12% equals $7,300 in 10 years. 15% equals $9,000 in 10 years. That's from just $1 a day. That's how future themes are built. Slow accumulation. What BOTZ actually invests in, important. This ETF is not just AI chatbots. It invests in factory robots, warehouse automation, surgical robots, military drones, self-driving tech, semiconductor AI chips, industrial automation, logistics robots, humanoid robots, future, AI manufacturing. This is the infrastructure of the future economy. Think, robots building everything while AI runs everything. That's what this ETF is betting on. My honest opinion, long-term, BOTZ is good for long-term, 10+ years. Small daily investing, future tech exposure, robotics boom, automation replacing labor, AI plus manufacturing. BOTZ is not good for short-term trading, safe retirement money, low volatility investors. This is a future bet fund. Simple strategy I use. Not financial advice, strategy logic. $1 a day BOTZ. $1 a day S&P 500. $1 a day dividend ETFs. That gives you future tech, regular market, big tech, income. That's a power portfolio. Like and subscribe. The $1 investor. The $1 a day. Future, my investment journey into AI, robotics, and the next world. You know, most people think investing is about being rich. I don't. I think investing is about being free. I've worked hard my whole life. Early mornings, long days, providing for my family, paying tuition, paying minimal bills, paying for life. Just like most people, I didn't start with a lot. No big inheritance, no lottery ticket. Just work, consistency, and learning as I went. Over time, I built something I'm proud of. My pensions. UFCW, Teamsters, AC Transit. That didn't happen overnight. That happened from years of showing up every day, doing the job, and thinking long-term instead of short-term. And that's exactly how I'm looking at investing now. Not gambling, not chasing hype, building something, slowly, on purpose, for the future. Recently, I started buying a fund called BOTZ, a robotics and artificial intelligence ETF, and I decided I'm going to buy $1 a day every single day. Now, some people might laugh at that. $1? That's nothing. But that's where they're wrong. Because this isn't about $1. This is about discipline. This is about consistency. This is about believing in the future before everyone else sees it. See, when I look at the world right now, I see something big coming. Bigger than the internet. Bigger than smartphones. I see artificial intelligence, robotics, automation, self-driving vehicles, AI factories, quantum computing, advanced medical robots, military drones, nuclear energy powering AI data centers. That's not science fiction anymore. That's happening right now. And the BOTZ fund invests in the companies building those machines, the robots in factories, the surgical robots in hospitals, the automation systems in warehouses, the AI chips, the drone technology. These are the companies building the physical world of AI. So my plan is simple. I'm buying the future $1 at a time. Because here's what I've learned in life. You don't build wealth in one big move. You build wealth the same way you build a pension. One contribution at a time, one paycheck at a time, one day at a time. 5 years from now, I don't know exactly what this fund will be worth. Nobody does. But I do know this. Robotics and AI are not going backwards. They are going forward. Companies are trying to replace dangerous jobs, repetitive jobs, and even driving jobs with machines. Factories are becoming automated. Warehouses are becoming automated. Hospitals are using robots. The military is using drones. AI is writing code. AI is changing everything. So when I invest in this, I'm not investing in a stock ticker. I'm investing in the direction the world is going. And I'm documenting this journey in my YouTube portfolio so people can see it in real time. The wins, the losses, the ups, the downs, everything. Because this isn't about pretending to be perfect. This is about showing the real journey of a working man building his future step by step. I still have responsibilities. Daughter's college, bills, life. So I'm not throwing thousands of dollars into risky investments. I'm doing something smarter, small amounts, every day, long time. That's how pensions work. That's how retirement accounts work. That's how wealth actually gets built for regular people. Not overnight, not in a week, not from one lucky trade, but from time plus consistency plus patience. So here's my strategy going forward. I'm building my pensions. I'm contributing to my retirement accounts. I'm investing in the S&P 500, and I'm investing in the future, AI, robotics, automation, through BOTZ. Because 10 years from now, 15 years from now, 20 years from now, I want to look back and say, I saw where the world was going, and I invested in it early. This is not a get-rich-quick story. This is a get-free-slowly story. And if you're watching this and you're working a regular job like me, trying to figure out how to build something for the future, just remember this. You don't have to start big, you just have to start. $1, one investment, one step, one plan. And then you repeat that plan over and over and over again until one day you look up and realize you built something. That's what this journey is. That's what this portfolio is. That's what this $1 a day into the future is. And we're just getting started. Like and subscribe. The $1 Investor.